Hello, Paul Hamilton here. I wanted to show you in this tutorial how we made these very cool kind of game design platform designs in Keynote. And you can see here I'm really proud of my little platform, the ground and the grass. And I just wanted to show you how I did it because it's actually not that difficult to do. Basically all I did is on this side here, you'll see that this is actually a drawing, and I've just used the drawing tools. If you haven't got an Apple Pencil, you can just use your finger. You can see it's not that detailed. And all I've actually done is I've actually placed that as an image fill here. I've actually taken a screenshot of that and just minimized it a little bit and cropped it, and then I've actually filled a basic shape. So all that is a basic shape in our shape gallery in Keynote. Just used a square, and all I've done there is then go to my image fill by pushing on my brush and going to fill and actually filling it with that shape. So I've got a range of different shapes there that you can see I've been playing with, but if I go with the one that I drew, all of a sudden there you've got some image, and you can make that big and long and do some different things with it, which is pretty cool in regard to creating your platform game as well. Or if you wanted to do like I did, is I just basically grouped a whole lot of those together and actually reduced the size and so forth. So just a really cool way of also, you can see there that I've also used some other shapes in there, things like ladders, some obstacles, some points and jewels, some clouds and that to bring in. But I've also created my own sprites too, which is pretty cool. Have a play with it. You'll absolutely love doing it. Paul Hamilton here, signing off.